Hey, welcome to the Digital Media VA free training series. I'm Emily Reagan, and today we are going to design a Facebook ad in my favorite program, Canva. Now, I bet most of you have heard about Canva, but sometimes it's just nice to see how other people work inside Canva. For those of you who are new to it, pay attention. This is going to be your best friend as a digital media VA. So I'm going to come over here to create design, and I want to do a square ad for this client. We're going to circle back to the client that we started with at the beginning of this series. So we're going to work with our crazy ass craft coach. And I have a 1200 by 1200 pixel square right now. So very quickly, I'm going to design an ad for her. So a nice thing about Canva is it's really updated a lot over the years, but you have folders here that you can store things in, and I have all of my clients in here, and some of them I need to delete, but over here I've already uploaded, maybe if I can find it, her pictures right here, Tanglewood Sue. So these are the furniture pieces I've uploaded. I went through her Facebook and I went through her Dropbox and I gathered all of her best pieces. I want a mix of bright, fun ones and some more traditional color painted ones that maybe more appeal to everyday people, like have more mass appeal. That's what I'm trying to say. So the first thing I love to use in Canva is this little grid tool. It lets pictures fit the space that you have. But what I realized in doing this ad is that her photos, she took them, there's no room to crop them. So I'm not going to use it this time. I'm just going to straight up use the pictures that she did, and they don't need any cropping. You can see she already did that, so I don't have a lot of room to work with. So when you're working with these photos, the more you play with Canva, the better. Control-Z is always my friend, but you'll just get faster and faster at it. So we want to make a Facebook ad that is bright and colorful. It's going to have about 10 different options of photos to click through. I think that's the max that Facebook can do right now. So I'm going to come here to text, and I'm going to add her text. Now remember, we already uploaded her font, so that's going to be easy for me. Custom painting. Now her font was Antique Olive, so let's come here and change it. And right now this is looking pretty boring, just bear with me. So I love the grids. It lets you know when you're lined up in the middle. I use the duplicate function a lot to make quick things, quick text blocks. Our plan with this ad is to show it to some of the upscale neighborhoods in DC. And I want it to really be eye-catching. So this to me is a little bit boring, and if I saw this in a Facebook feed, I don't know if I would click on it. I don't know if custom painting is the exact words that I want. Maybe I need to put furniture in there. So the grids expand to fit the width that you want. Sometimes though, you need it, I want it to all be on one line, so this is a quick way to change the text size. And honestly, just play with Canva. Do something free for someone, design an invitation for your kid's birthday, work on some business cards, just play with it, and it will get easier and easier. Okay, so now what I want to do is do the background in a very bright color that's hers. I want it to be kind of anti-Facebook colors. She kind of does more of a purpley color sometimes. But I also want it to look high end. So maybe I don't do them all this color. Okay, let's look at her website really quick. She has a lot of lime green and this purple. All right, so I know I had copied and pasted the hex code, so we're going to do it this purple, and I think I'll just do that. And then let's try another one and see how we like it. Maybe I do different colors. You know, I don't know. Maybe I do clean. Maybe I do black. Kind of like the black. So let's just do her different pieces in here. So what I'm doing is I'm duplicating it with this copy page, and this is how you get fast at things. And then I'm just throwing the picture in there. If you're organized from the beginning, it makes it super easy. So you can see that uploading ahead of time just makes things faster. You could crop the pictures by clicking crop and, really changing things this way. But like I said, her pictures are already cropped. I don't even need to do that. I think I am going to do the black. I think the purple looks a little bit tacky, in my opinion, for a Facebook ad, but black is going to stand out because it's anti-Facebook colors. You know what I mean? So I think I do want one photo with her. This is a great variety, but let's get a plain one in there. Let's get a crazy fun one in there. Now this white right here is bothering me. Do you see how that's not straight? So I'm going to come here to crop, and I'm just going to make her picture like a little bit smaller. And then now that white line is gone. It's not going to distract my eye at all. So let's see, I'm up to 9. So for the last one, I probably want, did I do 2 of those? No, okay, I need a photo of her. So hang in there with me. I'm gonna go to her Facebook page. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna go to upload image. And I know I have one of her recently. Let me see if I can find it. I don't know if this one's in focus, so let's see. I think that's pretty cool. I think that's awesome. She's wearing black, a lot of purple, and what I'll do is when I do the Facebook ad, it'll be a carousel so you can click through and see more of them. And then I'm going to send people to the custom quote page that we made at the beginning of this series. And I can only have 10 images. I think this is pretty good. I might go ahead and go back here and do this one. I like this one because it's plain blue. I'm going to have to edit later. Again, look at that little line right there. That's going to bother me. Let's crop that out just to, keep it straight. I'm going to go ahead and do this plain yellow one. Sometimes people like plain, so we might have too many crazy pieces. So I'm going to have to edit down and figure out which ones I want to show. I probably won't do 2 painted upholstery ones. So I'll probably have to pick between those 2. So I think that looks great. All right, so then what I do here in Canva is I save it. I'm going to do Facebook ad for Tanglewood Sue. Now when you export, you can do them all at once, which right now is going to do all 12 of my images, or you could come here and just select the one you want. I don't mind it doing all of them right now because I'm going to be uploading them all at once into Facebook. So let's go ahead and download these. And then I'm going to go start creating my ad. And if you want to know more digital media tasks that you could do and services you could offer to your clients, like as easy as playing on Canva, go get my opt-in. The link is in the description. And I'll see you tomorrow for more in the free training series.